Dr. Gonzalez, we talk a lot at Fuller about wanting to form Christian leaders for a changing world. What do you think should be the same about a seminary's formation work? And what do you think should be different today?
I think the first thing we have to realize is that the U.S. has become a mission field. When I was growing up, there were all these maps that had countries in different colors, the ones that were Christian, the one that was not. And all of Europe and all of North America at least was colored one color. Well, that doesn't work anymore. That doesn't work anymore. You don't have to go across the mountains to find the heathen. They're right across the street from you, perhaps in your own house. And part of what we have to deal with is how do we train people to have that mission zeal, that evangelistic zeal that took some people to Greenland's icy mountains, and to be able to translate that into a mission, not just in the rest of the world, that is still important, but mission right here. I think that's part of it. I think the other part is how do we form people who can learn, just as we have expected Christian leaders in Namibia, to learn from British and American and German teachers. How can we train our leaders in our church to learn from the rest of the world, from the church elsewhere, from what the church is doing and experiencing and discovering in other places? Even when I arrived at Atlanta 40 some years ago, it was expected everybody was going to be in church on Sunday. And if you were not, at least you were sufficiently ashamed of it that you stay home. Now that's no longer expected. Now, as we're driving to church, and it's just about 3 blocks drive, there is people running and people mowing and people sunning and people packing their cars to go places. And so they're as much in need of the gospel as somebody was in the center of Africa when Livingstone went there.